I enjoy the summer and the flower season, when birds sing below the flowers. But I find winter more pleasant, because I am granted joy. And when one envisions his pleasure, it is a good and solid reason for him to be kinder and merrier.
Now I have joy, and I am merry, and am restored in my worth, and I shall never turn elsewhere, nor shall I covet other people's conquests, because now I know for sure that he is wise who waits, and that he is a fool who loses his patience. Who loses his patience.
For a long time I was in pain and oblivious to what happened to me, and I was never so fast asleep that I couldn't wake up for fear. But now I see and judge and feel that torment is over, and I don't ever want to be back to it.
They very much congratulate all those whom I have listened to, because I am back to my joy, and praises be both to God and to them who have the merit and their meed. And whatever I went about saying, I rest, and I'm satisfied there.
And since I am exalted, I shall believe any slanderer.
I never was so far from love,
As much as I am safe and healed now,
even those wiser than me are wrong, because I well know for sure that a perfect love doesn't betray anyone.
better go to bed dressed
To make it under the covers,
and can produce as evidence
that the night I was
assaulted
I shall always grieve about it, because they went away laughing
like that
while I still sigh
and repine about it.